When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 21st of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather not changing much through the weekend, through much of next week, but in about 10 days, we think the pattern breaks, so hang on. Let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. It's going to be this way for a while, ridging in the east, troughing in the west. And underneath the ridge, a few pockets of convection over parts of north and central Alabama. That's the visible satellite view. Underneath all that, that was the radar at 234. Isolated showers, the heaviest one up around the shoals in Lauderdale County in northwest Alabama. Smaller ones are scattered across the north-central part of the state, drifting down to the south. Those dissipate once the sun goes down later this evening. No organized severe weather expected here anytime soon. A couple of marginal risks, one well to the north and one to the west. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather from near El Paso, Texas, up to the Canadian border. And on day 3, which is Saturday, we have green. That means maybe a storm, but they should be isolated like today. And organized severe weather is not expected. And really not much in the way of rain for the next 7 days. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. Under a half-inch for most of the state. The bigger numbers well to the west and north. And again, we're getting into a pretty dry time of the year. October is typically the driest month. Of course, the exception would be for any tropical activity, and we see nothing threatening Alabama anytime soon from the tropics. In the Atlantic, though, things are active. We have the ghost of Lee moving north. More than likely, that will not regenerate. Maria and Jose, first off, Jose, still swirling about in the same place, a tropical storm with top winds of 60 miles per hour. This will likely just meander about in the same place through Sunday. And again, we're fairly optimistic that leaves a weakness in the ridge, allowing Maria a path to escape without landfall. Speaking of Maria, Category 3, top winds 120 miles an hour north of the Dominican Republic. And this will be gaining latitude. There's the forecast track from the Hurricane Center. This will likely pass east of the Bahamas and be somewhere between the Outer Banks and Bermuda Tuesday morning. And you can see that hook to the northeast. Tropical models in good agreement except for one. That's a Canadian variant there, bringing it over to the Outer Banks. That's an outlier. The GFS, all 21 members of the 12Z run, take it out to sea. And the Euro, this is the OZ run from last night. 51 members. A few bring it close to the Outer Banks. The mean, the black line, takes it out to sea or close maybe to the Canadian Maritimes. But again, the message here is that the threat to the East Coast is diminishing. And odds are pretty good that it stays offshore, but it's not a total lock just yet. Intensity guidance slowly coming down from Category 3 status. Should be a Category 1 in about 5 days as it encounters cooler water. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. Central Time, big trough, cold trough in the west, a warm ridge in the east. And for us, the weather's just not going to change anytime soon. Highs 87 to 90, partly sunny, isolated afternoon showers and storms. There's Saturday and there's Sunday. For us, the weekend, no change. Highs upper 80s, any storms isolated. Maria moving north, well east of West Palm Beach. Monday, same story. Maria marching north. This is Tuesday. Again, for us next week, highs mid to upper 80s. Wednesday, Maria well east of the Outer Banks. We're warm and mostly dry. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 28th. Troughing coming down across the plain states. We're going to watch that. That's going to break the pattern, we think. Down below that, still warm, dry, but a cold front approaching. That will likely bring a better chance of showers and storms toward the end of next week. And again, Maria is kicking out to sea, and this is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, the 1st of October. You can see the big trough in the east. A cool continental air mass, 1023 high pressing in. And nice to see the shades of blue as everything flips. The west goes above average, the east goes below average. You see that reflected in the numbers coming off the GFS. About the time October gets here, highs magically dropping close to 70 and lows down close to 50. That'll feel pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.